Evolution of Vedic literature, from oral tradition to written texts. The Vedic literature, comprising the ancient sacred texts of Hinduism, holds a significant place in the spiritual and cultural heritage of India. These scriptures, composed in Sanskrit, offer profound insights into philosophy, rituals, and spirituality. The evolution of Vedic literature is a remarkable journey that spans several centuries, transitioning from an oral tradition to the eventual preservation and transmission through written texts. In this article, we explore the fascinating process of the evolution of Vedic literature. Origins in oral tradition. The Vedic period, which dates back to approximately 1500 BCE to 500 BCE, witnessed the composition and transmission of the Vedas. Initially, the Vedic knowledge was passed down orally from one generation to another. Rishis, or sages, played a crucial role in preserving and transmitting the sacred knowledge. They memorized and recited the hymns and rituals with utmost precision, ensuring the preservation of the Vedic teachings. The oral tradition, memorization and recitation. In the early Vedic period, the transmission of Vedic knowledge relied on an elaborate system of memorization and recitation. The Vedic hymns and rituals were committed to memory through rigorous training and repetition. The accuracy of pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm were of utmost importance to maintain the integrity of the texts. Guru-Shishya tradition. The transmission of Vedic knowledge primarily occurred through the revered Guru-Shishya, teacher-disciple, tradition. Young disciples, known as Shishya, would live with their gurus in Gurukul, residential schools, engaging in a close student-teacher relationship. The disciples would attentively listen to the recitations of their gurus, meticulously learn the Vedic verses, and emulate the precise pronunciation and intonation. This Guru-Shishya tradition played a vital role in ensuring the accurate preservation and transmission of the Vedic literature. Compilation and Preservation. Over time, the Vedic knowledge expanded, leading to the compilation of various texts. Among the most ancient and important collections is the Rig Veda, consisting of hymns dedicated to various deities. Other significant texts include the Samveda, Yajurveda, and Atharvaveda, each serving different ritualistic and philosophical purposes. The transition to written texts. The transition from an exclusively oral tradition to the preservation of Vedic literature in written form was a gradual process. As the body of Vedic knowledge continued to expand, the need for a written medium became apparent. The transition was a response to the challenges of memorization, preservation, and the potential loss of knowledge due to changing social circumstances. Development of script and writing. Around the 5th century BCE, writing systems such as Brahmi script began to emerge in India. This development provided the means to record the oral tradition of the Vedas. The transition to written texts allowed for greater accessibility, accuracy, and wider dissemination of the Vedic knowledge. Scriptural preservation. Scholars and scribes meticulously transcribed the oral teachings into written form, ensuring the faithful preservation of the Vedic literature. The texts were written on palm leaves, birch bark, and later, on paper. These manuscripts were meticulously copied and passed down through generations, preserving the sacred knowledge. Revival and Renaissance. The advent of written texts revitalized the study and preservation of the Vedic literature. Commentaries, interpretations, and scholarly works emerged, enriching the understanding of the profound wisdom contained within the Vedas. Prominent philosophers, such as Adi Shankaracharya and Ramanujacharya, contributed to the interpretation and dissemination of Vedic knowledge. Modern preservation. In contemporary times, the Vedic literature continues to be preserved in written form. Efforts are made to meticulously transcribe, translate, and digitally archive these ancient texts, ensuring their accessibility to scholars and enthusiasts worldwide. The preservation of the Vedic literature serves as a testament to the enduring relevance and spiritual wisdom that it offers. Conclusion. The evolution of Vedic literature from an oral tradition to written texts is a testament to the resilience and dedication of generations of sages, scholars, and disciples. The transition from oral transmission to written preservation allowed for wider dissemination, interpretation, and the continued study of these profound spiritual teachings. The Vedic literature stands as a timeless repository of knowledge, inspiring seekers of wisdom and offering insights into the ancient cultural and spiritual heritage of India. Thank you for watching and joining us on the journey of exploring wisdom. May you continue to seek its guidance, and may it grace your life with clarity, purpose, and profound joy. For more, subscribe to Guru Stream today.